Here we go.
Merry Christmas! Look!
What's that? Whoa.
Got your own room?
What you got? Santa brought that.
Can you say Merry Christmas? What else?
Whoa.
Oh.
Why not?
Huh?
Look,
Look
two.
what Mommy's got.
What's all this? Griffey, it's not your... Sit down. Is it your stocking? What's in it?
Whoa.
Of course, Here, you hold the hair gel, Daddy.
There's more in there.
What else is in there? Thank you. What about the rest of the stuff that's in there? Dylan, look. I shouldn't have given that to him first. All he wants to do is color. Dylan.
Look what Mommy's got. Whoa.
All he wants is the markers and the crayons.
You want to get more gifts?
Dylan, or Griffey, that's not your... We'll get your thing in a minute. Can you get Griffey's stocking? It's in on the dining room table.
Go look, Mommy's got more presents.
And Griffey thinks this is his.
Dylan, go get it.
Oh!
Dylan, yeah.
What's that?
You gotta open it.
Can you give that to Griffey?
Here, get the doggy.
Can you give that to the doggy?
Good job.
Is that Griffey's stocking? Good job. It's okay. It's his stocking. It's got bones in it. You want to give him a bone? Give that to Daddy and Daddy will open it for you. Give Griffey a bone. You want to open that?
Oh.
Get the doggy.
Ew. Griffey, you're Dylan, no.
Get the doggy.
That's the doggy's bone.
Yeah.
All right. Wait, Merry Christmas, Griffey.
You got more gifts to open.
Look.
Here, look at. Yeah. You do. Here. Whoa. What is it? Whoa.
Wow. What are those? Is that Goofy and Pluto?
Look, you got another gift down there.
Oh.
Here. Dylan, here.
I'm saving this one for last. It's another crayon.
Hit the button.
That actually is for the bathtub.
Die.
It squirts water. Alright, what do we think about these other gifts?
Whoa.
Is that a Dylan gift? What about this one?
Whoa. Here, Dylan.
Look at this one.
Here, you gotta open it. Here.
Those are yesterday's
Here.
gifts. Let's open this one next.
Here. Good job. Rip it.
There's no picture on that box, is there?
Oh. Oh. Good job.
I forgot to get C batteries for that vacuum cleaner. Daddy will open that one while we get the other gifts out from underneath the tree.
They didn't open this one up.
I need a direction. Doesn't matter, I can rip it open.
No, I don't have anything to put the tape on. Oh, look at Dylan, look. Look. Dylan. Whoa. Dylan. Here. Look it. Look. What is it?
Turn it's upside down. All he wants to do is color.
Fed up. Look at it, you got another one here. Santa. One of those.
It's so we can play basketball in the bathtub, huh? Alright, babe. Christmas is over.
Say goodbye to the camera.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye to the camera? Bye-bye?
Die.
Die-die. Okay. Good night, or good night. Goodbye.